one's coming.
No.
G'day homesteaders. I did paint, you saw it in the last video. I painted this entranceway to our house. And I thought I had done a good job at the time because I was painting white on white. But the tricky part was I had to paint up and down really far with the wand. So there's kind of like marks where you can see there's lines where the paint had gone before. Today I'm going to use the nozzle sideways, this way, vertically. And then I'm going to go side to side to get a more even coat. And then hopefully we don't see these long streaks anymore and we have more even coverage. I didn't want to paint it 2 times, but I think these long lines are just too obvious. You can see them from a distance. It looks like stripes. Kids, huh?
Uh-huh.
Are they just hanging out?
They're walking.
Okay. Alright, nearly done. Just had to repatch a couple of bits and pieces that came off in the last day or 2 because I had to work. Yeah, alright, so first of all we're going to start by painting this thing over here so we know that the nozzle's working properly. The whole gang of them. Yeah, we're going to spray this and we're going to spray that little hook. Oh, look at that. Looks so solid. Here they come. You can film them. Uh-oh.
Make sure the door is closed properly. Nah, it's alright.
He's not coming. We'll let them go past.
Right.
Parade of the kids. Film them.
Yeah.
Because then you can see what we have to
Right.
put up with.
Alles gut.
Just go.
Was macht ihr?
Wir malen unser Haus an.
Was?
Wir malen unser Haus an.
The smallest at the back.
Grüß Gott.
Just go.
Hallo.
Aufpassen. Dora, super.
Okay, go on.
Alright, so I have about 2 cups of warm water to put into my fairly cool paint. It also it thins the paint a little so I get a bit more economy out of it. It's outdoor paint and look at that stuff. It's solid as anything. I hope it isn't solid as anything. Let's find out.
It was minus 50%.
Now that looks like some pretty good paint. Look at that.
Cool.
Holy shit.
Well, it was $48 or what? Minus 50%.
Yeah, it's a good thing we watered it down a little.
Yeah.
I think we could even water it down a little more. So next step on it. Alright, we'll give this a go. I'm going to paint this thing first.
All right.
We're not putting water through it. We're going to put paint through it straight away.
Straight away.
I hope that doesn't cause any problems. But you saw as we did it earlier, we always put water through the system first. I don't know if that's supposed to, if you're meant to do it that way. That's the way we've been doing it.
Can I put that in already?
Yep. Stick it in. That's much better.
And I turn it on. It's on down. Oh,
Yep.
it's not plugged in.
Down 2.
2.
And then you should see the white coming up here.
Can I turn it on 2?
Go for it.
Five.
Oh shit.
Shit. Put it in the bucket. Hold it over the bucket.
Shit, the spanner's in the front door.
So I turn it on 0 or what now?
Yeah.
And down.
That sucks. Yes, I tightened it properly.
This time.
Should be ready to go.
All right.
There's a tanker.
Safety. He waved.
Okay.
All right.
Excellent. Hope this doesn't flap around. It smells a little bit like nuts.
Nuts.
Yeah.
Mineral nuts.
Alright,
Hey, you forgot my fingerprint here.
What thing?
My fingerprint. I took the spider
didn't see
webs
it.
off. All right.
Well, kind of. Yeah,
Yeah,
it doesn't
whatever.
matter. Let's make it a white spider web. Oh, actually, I'm going to start here
All right.
because it's so bright on that wall. It
That's
kind of
right.
blinds me. Okay. I'll start at the top, of course. Out of the sun.
Pretty good.
Yeah, I like it.
Do the door frame so that that's done
Yeah.
around. Do the ceiling first, huh?
Oh, sorry. What about it? I'm going to do it lengthways.
Right. Alright.
Alright, so we did that in about 10 minutes. I basically went side to side, which gave me more consistency with the distance of the tip to the wall. When I was going up and down like that, it was really kind of like too much here and not enough up there. You could see streaks and things. I like to think it's covered properly now. How does it look through the camera? Because it looks...
I don't see it on the screen, it's too bright.
Yeah, okay, it looks pretty good. And it also, when it dries, it'll look different.
Yeah.
This is a different kind of paint. It's outdoor paint. The paint itself you saw was much thicker when we mixed it, and we must have mixed another litre of water into it.
Yeah.
So we had to use the Wagner on a lower setting, I
On
think
3.
number 3,
Uh-huh.
instead of number 5, which allowed us to keep spraying instead of it stopping all the time. We used a fair bit of paint, but now we're going to go in the backyard and paint a wall.